I'll show you how to convert XML data to CSV right inside a Chrome browser. So, first of all, you need to install a Convert XML to CSV Chrome extension. I'll provide a link in the description of this video, or also you can find it inside Chrome Web Store. You can just type Convert XML to CSV, and here's the extension. You need to add it to your Chrome. So it's added and you need to activate it according to the instruction. It's activated and now we can open a page to choose a file to convert, or we can use a pop-up here. So we need to choose an XML file and now we can just convert it. So that's it.